Welcome back, students. This is Aalok Guptaa, your mathematics mentor and coach. I am back again with concept 3 of percentages. In this video, I am going to talk more about the concepts based on marks and examination. So the questions will be asked: what is the passing percentage? What is the maximum marks? So on and so forth. So let us begin. The first question goes like: in an exam, one needs 36% aggregate to pass. A student got 198 and declared fail by 36 marks. What is the maximum aggregate marks a student must get? So what I'm saying is that one needs 36% aggregate to pass. So to pass, I need, suppose marks are of 100, I need 36 to pass. These are maximum marks. These are passing marks. A student got 198 and he failed by 36 marks, which means if he had to pass, he should have secured more 36, which means he should have secured 234 marks. Correct? So 234 are the passing marks, which means this 36% that is required to pass is corresponding to 34. I want to find the maximum mark, that is why I want to find 100. How much will that be? So I will do 100 upon 36 into 234. 9 4s are 26, 9 2, 13, 50. So the question paper must have been of 650 marks maximum. Okay, let's move ahead. See, again and again, all these things I am assuming that you have watched my earlier videos of conversion of percentages to fractions, fractions to percentages, unitary method, so on and so forth. All those things are very, very important to crack the problems based upon percentages, profit and loss, and a lot of problems in data interpretation, logical reasoning. So very, very important that at least these 4 topics of percentages, profit and loss, mixtures and aggregation, ratio, proportion and variation, you need to be absolutely clear about all the concepts. In an examination, it is required to get 296 marks to pass. So passing marks are 296. A student gets 259 marks. So actually got is 259. And he is declared fail. The difference of marks obtained and required to pass is 5%, which means इन दोनों का जो difference है वो 5% है. And this 5% actually in terms of marks is corresponding to 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. So 47. So 5%, right? 296 minus 259 is 37. 7. It is 37. So 5% actually is corresponding to 37. I want to find the maximum marks, which is 100. So it will be 100 upon 5 into 37. So I will do it 20, 37, 2. So 740 is the maximum marks in that paper. Okay. So third sum goes like: Ram scores 43% marks and fails by 72 marks. Balram scores 57% marks and passes by 40 marks. Find the passing percentage. So here the reference given is what they got and how much more or less it is than the passing marks. Then you have to find the passing percentage, which means here we have to find 2 things. We have to find the maximum marks and we have to find the passing marks. If you get these 2 things, then I will be able to find the passing percentage. Correct? So let us see how we score this. So there is Ram, there is Balram. Ram scores 43%. He fails by 50. If passing marks are P, then he got P minus 72. Balram got 57% and he passes, he gets 40 more than passing. The difference between these 2 is 14 and here it is 112, which means 14% corresponds to 112. Let us find the maximum marks. Maximum marks are 100, so that will correspond to 100 upon 14 into 112. So this will be 14 8s are. So maximum marks are 800. So this is max. Max is 800. Okay. Now let us find the passing marks. So now if 14% is corresponding to 112, 1% corresponds to 8 that we already found. Then how much did Ram get? 43. So 43 will correspond to 43 into 8. 4, 2, 8 4 are 32, 344. So Ram got 344 marks, but still, and he failed by 72, which means if I add 72 into this, I will get the passing marks. So passing marks are 416. I've been asked the passing percentage. So it's nothing but 416 upon 100, 800 into 100. 8 5s are 42. So 52% is the passing marks. Passing percentage. Clear? So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.